Welcome to Maya AI Labs. We're here to talk about true AI mastery for founders. We bridge the gap between complex AI and the non-technical entrepreneur. We empower you to build smarter and faster, without needing a PhD. We're focused on practical application, not just theory. But first, let's talk about the problem. You know you need AI, but are you drowning in the hype? It feels like a chaotic storm of buzzwords and technical jargon. You're struggling to find practical use cases that actually move the needle. And that fear of falling behind your competitors is real. So, how do we cut through all that noise? We cut through the noise by focusing on practical mastery, not just theory. We give you no-code toolkits so you can build without writing a single line of code. Our step-by-step playbooks are actionable and deliver real results. We focus on 60-minute wins, not endless lectures. This is how you move from overwhelmed to empowered. So, how do you start? We offer 3 paths to accelerate your growth. Our daily mastery program builds confidence with 28 days of quick exercises. The Prompting Power Week lets you master the art of prompting in just 7 days. And our featured master classes offer deep dives into strategy and productivity. Choose the program that fits your schedule and goals. Don't let the AI revolution pass you by. It's time to start your AI journey today. Join thousands of founders who are already building the future with us. Visit myaAIlabs.com right now. And grab your first fastest win to get started immediately.